Steve, I'm Stu's brother. I'm the other half of the project on the new car that we're doing together, the Honda Civic EF. So I'm just heading over there now to have a little look at it. I haven't actually seen it yet, other than what I've seen in Stu's videos. And it sounds okay. I think it's a 30-year-old car, so it's going to need quite a bit of work. But the arches have been done, which is a good thing. That will save us quite a bit of cash, and it will be a good base for what we're looking to do. Then we can start stripping out the engine and things today, I think, see how far we can get there, and yeah, we'll see where we get to. Cheers. So here we are. So radiator and fan and all that lot's gone. Battery out. Part of the induction, whatever you want to call it, all that's all gone at the back. Loads of the power steering bottle, everything, all the leads out, hoses all disconnected, fluids everywhere. Bunch of stuff in boxes over here, bunch of stuff over here. And then I'm just started taking the wing off, because I think these are CRX wings. Either they're CRX wings or they're really knackered old EF wings. Either way, the way they've been attached with the CRX front end is there's a little tiny spot weld just here that's holding it all on. So basically that's holding the whole thing apart, whole thing together. So I'm going to have to pull that out in a minute. As I was undoing one of the bolts there, it was a bit rusty and it's come off, and that's going to need a weld or something doing there. But overall, despite the look of it, I mean, the paint job has been done so badly, but it's not that bad. Just to give you an example of how badly this has been painted, this car. So they've taken the wing mirrors off here, as you can see, and then when they've sprayed the car, it's more of that lovely peach, the paint has come through the hole, all over here, all over here, all over here. I mean, there's lazy and there's terrible. So there it is, front end off, both wings off, revealing more of the beautiful peachy colour underneath. Why anyone would have done it that colour, I don't know. And then we've disconnected as much as we can, hose, cables, all of that kind of stuff. Brake cylinder disconnected, that's just a bit of a fiddly one, leaving that for Stu. All of that stuff out, rads out as I showed you earlier. Getting there. Bonnet off at the moment, obviously we'll rest that back in place later, but it's looking good.